friends, how are you? It is time to do some more fun math. We're still going to be working on addition today, so I want you to make sure that you have all these things before we get started. Your scissors, a pencil, and these sheets that I sent to your mom and dad's. They were attached in an email. Okay, so you're going to need, it's a lot of paper, but you're going to need all of these things. And then a blank sheet of paper for yourself. All right, so if you don't have those things, go and get them. Scissors, pencil, printouts, and a blank sheet of paper, and come right back. Okay, now I'm assuming everybody has what they need. And the first thing we are going to do to get set up for this is we are going to do some cutting out. First thing you're going to cut out is our berry baskets here. And we don't have to cut out fancy all around the lines. Just cut them out like this. Cut the sheet in half. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we're going to cut out the cherries. You do not have to cut them out really crazy on the lines and carefully. Just cut them out like this. Look, super easy. I'm going to cut up. Look at this. I'm cutting off all the extra paper. Throw that away. And now I'm going to cut apart my cherries. And I'm going to make sure I stack them right over here with the berry basket so I don't lose anything. Very good. Now we have some ice cream to cut out. Let's cut out our ice cream cones and our scoops. Again, I don't want you to take a whole bunch of time. Just cut them out. Close as you can. Look, here I've got ice cream cone, ice cream cone. Boys and girls, I'm sorry for this background noise. My neighbor is having yard work done again, and they're using a very noisy hedge trimmer. I'm sure the blower will start in a minute, so when you hear that, you'll know what it is. But sorry, they're right outside my window. And then we're going to cut apart the scoops. If you have your pencil box, why don't you put these in the lid of your pencil box so you don't lose them? And finally, more scoops. There you go. I'm going to throw away my trash. These two worksheets you can just set to the side for right now. Okay. Go lift this up so you can see a little more of my desk. Okay. All right. So you have your sheet of paper, and you have your ice cream cones. Let's organize them a little bit. And my scoops. I've got my berry baskets and my cherries. So we are going to do some ice cream math and some cherry math today. And I'm going to show you a different way to make a number sentence, a math sentence. Remember on Monday when you got your nature things and we made math sentences that looked like this. For example, 3 plus 2 equals, what does it equal? 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also write a math sentence vertically. This is horizontal when it goes side to side. This would be a vertical math sentence. 3 plus 2, and then I put a line under it. Instead of making the equal sign, I put a line under it. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So you are learning a new way to write your math sentence, but you still get the same answer. You still add the numbers together. I could put 3 dots plus 2 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 5 equals 5 dots. All right, so we're going to work on doing some number sentences that way. So let's get our cherry baskets out. Let me see. One basket for my cherries, another basket for my cherries, and I am going to just pick, I want you to set this up too. Set your cherry baskets out like this. What is a number? Today is the 28th, which is made of a 2 and an 8. So I am going to, or it's the 29th today. 29th, I'm going to put, it's made of a 2 and a 9. I'm going to put 2 cherries in this basket. I'm going to put 9 cherries in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 cherries in this berry basket, 9 cherries in this berry basket. Okay? Here is one way to write that number sentence. 2 cherries plus 9 cherries equals how many cherries? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Equals what? 11 cherries. We did this math sentence horizontally. Now let's do it vertically. 2 cherries plus 9 cherries. And put the 9 right under it. And you have to put the plus sign on the left. We draw a line under it instead of our equal sign. 2 cherries plus 9 cherries equals 11 cherries. Very, very good. Now, whoop, I'm going to set these up here. Let's do it with our ice cream cones. I like this because I like ice cream. I'm going to scoot this over. I have 2 ice cream cones. I am going to do, just coming up with something, I'm going to do 3 ice cream scoops. I'm going to take my favorite mint chocolate chip. 3 ice cream scoops. 1, 2, 3. 3 ice cream scoops plus 6 ice cream scoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 ice cream scoops plus 6 ice cream scoops. Let's write it vertically. 3 plus sign on the left plus 6 equals, what does it equal? Let's count our scoops and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Very good. Let's do another vertical number sentence. I'm going to use my ice cream again. Okay. I'm going to wonder, let's see, 5 ice cream scoops plus 2 ice cream scoops. I'm going to go ahead and write my vertical sentence down right here. 5 scoops plus 2 scoops. Plus right here, a line underneath. Let's put 5 in the first cone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 1, 2 equals what? Let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Excellent. Okay, my friends, now I'm going to show you these worksheets that you are going to do today. You're going to use your berries, your cherries, and your berry baskets. You're going to use your ice cream and your scoops to do them. Let's set these to the side. Make sure you stay organized while you're doing this, boys and girls. Put all your ice cream scoops together. I have my ice cream cones together. I've got all my cherries together. And I have my berry baskets together. Let's look at the 2 worksheets that you're going to be doing. This one says ice cream scoops. Count the scoops of ice cream on each cone. Write the number in the box. Add the numbers to find out how many scoops there are in all. Great, we can do this. Let's do the first one together. It's sort of light. I hope you can see it. How many scoops is this? 1, 2, 3. 3 scoops. I'm going to write the number 3 right here. And I'm going to model it. I'm going to show it with my big ice cream cones. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus, what is this? 1, 2, 2. So I'm going to put 2 scoops on my other cone. 1, 2. How much does it equal? We're going to put the answer in this box. 1, let's count them. 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your answer is going to go in the bottom box right here. So there are 6 math problems to do on here with your ice cream scoops. Okay? Then I want you to go over and go to the, when you finish this, look, we have a berry basket worksheet. There are a lot of math problems on this thing. Wow. You do not have to do the bottom row. Okay, that's just too much. You do not have to do the problems on this row. I'm going to exit out. Boom, 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 boom. I just think that's an awful lot. All right. The instructions on this say cherry math. Adding is as fun as cherry picking. Add the numbers. Use the cherries to help you count. Look what it says right here. Grade 1. Remember I said in our Zoom meeting, some of our math was grade 1. I know y'all can do this, or we can at least try. So I thought it'd be fun to do some grade 1 math. All right. Let's look at the first problem. Look, in our other worksheet, you had to count how many and write the numbers in the boxes. This, they've already written the numbers for you. All right. 4 cherries. Let me get my berry basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 5 cherries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does 4 cherries plus 5 cherries equal? We're adding them, so let's count. 4 cherries in this basket, 5 in this basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 cherries plus 5 cherries equals 9 cherries. And look, they have the cherries up here too. There are 4 cherries here, 5 cherries here. You can double check and count them on here too. 4 cherries plus 5 cherries equals 9 cherries. Did I read the instructions? It says adding is as fun as cherry picking. Add the numbers. Use the cherries to help you count. So there you go. So that is going to be your math work for today. We're going to do these 2 worksheets. You're going to do vertical math sentences and write the number on the bottom. All right, for both of them. In addition to this, something super fun you can do is I'm going to assign you all some math addition games from the computer website that we have, education.com. Some of you did them last week, and I loved the fact that you were working on them. That was great. I'm going to send an email to your parents with a link to these addition games that you can play at home. And when you play them at home, boys and girls, guess what? I can see how well you did. I can see how many times you played it. I can see how many answers you got right. I can just, I can check it all out and then know who is getting it and who might need a little more help. So I hope you will all go online and do the computer math games that I'm going to send to your moms and dads. All right? So have fun with the cherries and the ice cream. Send me pictures of your work when it's done. And I'll talk to you later.